Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope all of you are well. I am also well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. I am Muhammad Nizamuddin Tarabdar, lecturer, Department of English, Madhupur Shohid Higher Secondary School, Madhupur, Tangail. Dear students, I express my gratitude to Almighty Allah who has enabled me to meet with you once again. Today I am going to discuss another grammatical points. It is for the 12th class students, and today my topic is voice change. Almost all of you know about voice change because you have crossed one level, SSC level. So today I am going to reminding you this affair. Voice change. Voice. What is the voice? Voice is the sound of speech. Almost all of you know. A voice refers to the grammatical refers to the form of the verb and tense, and we are going to change from active to passive some sentences. Students, you should be careful that you should not use as far as possible passive sentence in your practical life, because passive means serveless, passive is lifeless, passive is uncourteous. In our Bangla language, it is rarely used passive sentence. So always you should use active sentence in your practical life. Yet we have to cross the various situation and have to use passive sentence. If I say that suppose I ate rice, আমি ভাত খাই, rice is eaten by me, আমার দ্বারা ভাত খাওয়া হয়, rice is eaten by me, this is passive. It is not so much courteous, it is not straight way, it is a zigzag way. So you should avoid such kind using passive sentence in your life. So as in our public exam, students are asked to make voice sense, so we have to solve such kind changes for the benefit of our public exam. Notice at the whiteboard, voice sense, I saw a boy. However, students, another thing is that verb has 12 forms. There are 12 forms of verb, active form 12, but usually we do 8 forms as passive. Almost all the sentence, transitive sentence can be changed into passive, but we usually use in our everyday to life only 8 tense form of verb: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, future indefinite, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, future indefinite, future perfect. Such 8 kinds are usually seen as passive in our everyday life. Now you see the sentence on the whiteboard, I saw a boy. Another thing is that only transitive verb can be changed into passive form. The sentence which has no transitive verb cannot be changed into passive form. Look at the whiteboard, I saw a boy. I subject, saw transitive verb, a boy, object. What is subject? Subject is doer or performer of the action, and in a short, object is the receiver. Object is the receiver of the action. So I saw a boy, we can easily transform it in this way: a boy. We have to make in this way: a boy was seen, a boy have become subject, we have to take to be bar and is, was, were, being. Almost all of you know. A boy was and seen. Seen is the past participle of the verb saw. Of the verb saw, past participle. A boy was seen. Very easy. By me. A boy was seen by me. Very easy and simple sentence, past indefinite. Look at the sentence. I bought a shirt made in China. I bought a shirt made in China. This is the important thing. Made in China. This is the past participle, post modifier of the object. If the sentence becomes such kind, then you have to make the whole portion object. I bought, I subject, bought verb, a shirt object made in China. Past participle and post modifier of the object. So you have to turn this portion into subject. You have to change this sentence in this way. A shirt made in China, a shirt made in China was bought by me. A shirt made in China was bought by me. Look at this sentence. The short stories subject. The short stories written by Ravi Tagore. Here we see past participle, post modifier of the subject. Short stories written by Ravi Tagore interest me most. Interest me most. Interest verb transitive. So me is object. You have to change this me into active voice, into passive voice, and we have to change into subject. Then you have to change the sentence in this way. I am interested most. Me you have to change I am interested most by the short stories written by Ravi Tagore. I am interested most. I am interested most by the short stories written by Ravi Tagore. After subject, past participle has come and modified subject. So subject will remain the same. This portion will remain added with the subject. Whether be it past participle or present participle, it will remain the same with the subject. They entertain the guest of the bridal party. They subject entertain verb transitive. The guest object of the bridal party, preposition phrase. And we see preposition phrase with the object, it will remain unchanged. So you have to change the sentence in this way. The guests of the bridal party were entertained by them. The guests of the bridal party were entertained by them. Students, there are some transitive verbs, but they cannot be changed into passive voice. And those verbs are have, lack, transitive verb have, lack, hold, feed, resemble, become. These sentences, these verbs have no passive form. Because they only states the condition, not so much action. They have a beautiful house. They have a beautiful house. It has no passive form. Although have is transitive verb, no passive form. The chairman lacks courage. Lacks verb transitive, but it has no passive form. The auditorium holds 500 people. It has no passive form. So like fit, this shirt does not fit him. You can say this way. Resemble, Meena resembles her mother. All these verbs have no any passive form. A lot of rules in doing passive voice, and only one day's class is not enough in this affair, yet we shall try to show some direction. Infinitive. Look at the whiteboard. Infinitive. If the sentence become infinitive, how we have to change it? We have to do the work. We have to do the work. We see to do the work. Infinitive phrase, transitive. Infinitive phrase, transitive. So we have to change this sentence in this way. The work has, as it is the third person subject, the work has to be done by us. The work has to be done by us. We are going to set up a college. So like the above sentence, since the sentence, we are going to set up a college. A college turn object into subject of the passive voice. A college is going to be set up by us. A college is going to be set up by us. Now look at this sentence. We made him captain. We made him captain. We see, we subject, made verb transitive, him object, captain object, captain complement, noun complement. This sentence, if you want to change this sentence, you have to make him subject of the passive sentence. Captain complement never becomes subject. So you have to change this sentence in this way. He was made captain. He was made captain by us. He was made captain by us. Captain will never become subject because it is complement. She gave me a flower. She gave me a flower. There are far difference, a lot of difference between these two sentences. Him and captain the same person, but me and a flower are two things. Me is indirect object, a flower is direct object. Indirect, me, him, them, indirect. Indirect is personal, and a flower is impersonal. So we can change this sentence into process. At first, we will take subject from the indirect object. I was given a flower by her. Almost all of you have understood this. I was given a flower by her. Another, if you want to make a flower subject, you can do also that. A flower was given to me by her. If you take a direct object at first and indirect object keep the same way, then you have to take preposition to or for before indirect object. So a flower was given to me by her. A flower was given to me by her. Now Look at this sentence. She killed herself. She killed herself. Reflexive pronoun. She killed herself. We walked a mile. Adverbial object. She killed herself. So reflexive pronoun can never become subject, like the complement. Like the complement. Herself never becomes reflexive pronoun never becomes subject. So you have to change this sentence in this way. She was killed. She was killed by herself. By herself. She was killed by herself. Look at this sentence. We walked a mile. With subject walked but a mile object, but it is adverbial object. This sentence will not be changed into passive form. The adverbial object never becomes subject and it will remain unchanged. Students, today I have no time. I already have said that online class is very short time. Inshallah, tomorrow I shall discuss on it elaborately. You remain safe and healthy at your home. I always pray for you to Almighty Allah.